Hey Roblox, what the fuck is going on with your app, dude? First, you want to change the logo to blue because a worker died, but from the videos I've seen, the worker passed years ago, and you're now deciding to do it now.
I've recently heard the worker's favorite color isn't even blue.
Second, you want to change friends into connections. Oh hell no, you will not
Catch me saying, connect me.
I know for a fact I'll sound like some bitch-ass NPC saying that goofy shit. Third, you want to remove R6 from the avatars. See, I'm not a person who wears R6 for my avatars, but many other people do and they like it. So removing this feature can cause people to stop playing your game if you really think about it. Fourth,
You're gonna force Roblox players to wear those fuck-ass animated faces.
please no.
I never wore an animated face except for those fake headless they got, but overall never wore that and won't wear it.